In any industry, safe and reliable operations depend on the skill and confidence of the person behind the controls, just as much as a sensor or a guardrail. But technology moves fast. Keeping pace means combining solid theoretical knowledge with hands-on experience. That's where a structured, continuous training makes a difference. We can deliver a mix of e-learning, classroom-based teaching, and hands-on training with real equipment, so your team can apply that knowledge straight away on site. When your people know exactly how your motors and drives work, you get quicker troubleshooting, fewer errors, faster decision-making, enhanced uptime, and a smoother day-to-day performance. At ABB, we don't just service your motors and drives, we build your talent and competence.
ABB, training you can count on.